Hey, it's Rain, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we decided to do Leche Flan for my birthday. Leche Flan is a Filipino version dessert of creme brulee or caramel pudding. So first you need large eggs. Separate the yolks and the egg whites. We used about 30 eggs in total and we made 15 servings of Leche Flan. And then look at this, we got lucky, we got 2 egg yolks. Go ahead and mix the egg yolks carefully, not like how we did it here, causing it to create bubbles because we want that smooth texture. Pour in 1 box of evaporated milk. And then strain the mixture to get that smooth texture that we're aiming for. So this was kind of a fail, so we redid this step. And then go ahead and pour in all the liquids. So you need evaporated milk and condensed milk, 1-to-1 ratio. We use about 5 of each. For the caramel, you need 2 cups of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water. Katamad na! Uy! With low heat, just go ahead and melt it until it becomes golden brown or darker than golden brown. Although at the end, we added 2 more cups. And then we have these things called ilaneras, if I'm not mistaken. It's a novel shaped mini baking pan. It heats quickly, so be careful when pouring the caramel. Okay, so after placing the caramels, we go ahead and pour in our batter carefully and just about, I would say, less than an inch thick. And then cook them in a steamer, just like that. We don't have any aluminum foil, so we improvise and use an old t-shirt instead so that it would cook evenly inside. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Try poking it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it means it's done. So that's basically it. You only need a couple of ingredients and you have this perfect Filipino dessert that everyone loves. You can also put it in halo-halo and other desserts. I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you guys decided to try this. Tag me on Instagram or just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!